Hello everybody. So this video has like a specific topic and I don't have a script for it, so I just know that I'm gonna be stuttering a lot, so good luck. So anyways, I'm gonna be talking about YouTube, specifically YouTube Shorts. So when TikTok became popular, YouTube had the idea of creating YouTube Shorts, which was eventually created in 2021, obviously. Okay, so I'm not trying to go into many details because I just want to talk about how YouTube Shorts just pisses me the fuck off. Personally, the trends there are just like absolutely terrible and they're so corny. How do you go viral for drawing a star and then with the caption, "Oh, my hands aren't fast enough for this"? Genuinely, what the fuck? I guess that's just me being jealous because if I do the same thing, I won't get the same recognition, which I think is absolute bullshit. Also, is anybody gonna talk about how the like button just turned into a heart? That's the thing that pisses me off the most, is because like they're trying to be different and they're trying to draw more attention to it. So yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna talk about. And I highly doubt that I'm gonna get any likes or views on this video. So yeah, goodbye.